What is up, guys? It is your boy Josh Baumback here, presenting you direct and inverse variation. And today, this will be an easy, simple way to figure out the direct and inverse variation. They are probably the easiest things that will be on the STAR test this year for EOC Algebra 1 students. And you guys will get you'll get this question super easy. Just trust me on this. Just trust me. Okay, so first we'll be starting off with direct variation. For both direct and inverse variation, you first need to find the constant of every single one of them. But in the equation, constant is a k. So first, how do we find the k for direct variation, you ask? Well, I'm just going to write this down for you guys right now. K equals y divided by x. So I'm going to let you know this, guys. On direct and inverse variation, well, let's just go over direct variation right now. So when y is divided by x equals this k. But you have to do this with every y and every x, and it has to equal the same k every single time to get the direct variation. Pretty simple, right? Okay, well, let's go over a question now. I've kind of already started it, but it's okay. What is the constant of the variation? Don't even look at it. So first we go k equals y divided by x. And what is y? 16. And what is x? 12. K equals y divided by x. 16 divided by 12 equals 1.33 repeating. So it's repeating. The constant of the variation is 1.33 repeating. So you go like that and square it in. Alright. So now we are going to try to find the value of x when y equals 40. So what do we do from there? 40 divided by 1.3 repeating. And 40 divided by 1.3 repeating is 30.0000008. Yes, it is a lot of zeros, but that is the correct answer of this equation right here. So what is the value of x when y equals 40? 30.0000008. So now let's move on to inverse variation, the easier one of both of them. So inverse variation. Since you know you always have to find the constant, how are we going to find the constant, you ask? You already have y divided by x. What's the other way? There's division and then there's multiplication. So k equals y times x. See that? Y times x. Simple, right? Simple, super easy. So again, how do you know if this is inverse variation? Every time you multiply every y by every x, and it will equal the k, the constant. Inverse variation is a little bit simpler than direct variation, I think. It will be easier. You'll see it right off the bat, too. You can see it right off the bat. So, say they have 2 and 8, and they have 3 and 16. Okay, that's obviously not inverse variation. But now let's go over a problem. Number 2. Select the set of data which represents a direct variation. So let's check this one. 2 times 3, 6. 5 times 6, 30. 9 times 4, 36. So that's clearly not the correct answer. Let's X it out. Okay, 4 times 5, 20. Okay, these clearly are not correct. 6 times, okay, now let's move over to G. 6 times 2, 12. 4 times 3, 12. 1 times 12 is 12. Okay, now that looks correct, but we cannot trust it yet. We have to go to the next answer. We got to check every answer because they might be fooling us. Let's go. So then we have J. 8 times 2, 16. 12 times 3, 36. And this is clearly not the correct answer. So the correct answer is G. Okay, now I'm gonna go over a problem with you that just came up with. None of this star practice. Okay, so can you guys find me the constant of this equation? Very simple. I'm just going to do 2, 1. And what is the constant of this equation? Well, the constant of this equation is 18. Good job. Oh, my handwriting is a little messy. Just letting you guys know. So let's do something with direct variation. So then, what if we go right here? Right? Okay, so we got 3 and 6. This is direct. This is direct, guys. Okay, so 3 and 6. 10 and 5. 20 and 10. I'm just gonna... Oh well. So 6 divided by 3 equals 2. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. And 20 divided by 10 equals 2. So the constant will be 2. So let's go over this one more time. Direct variation. Direct variation is when the constant equals y divided by x. And the inverse variation is when the constant is y times x. It's just basically the flip if you think about it. Because division, multiplication. Very simple. And thank you for watching my video, guys. There will be more videos on YouTube later. Thank you.